All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Slushy Student 38. What's up, 38 gang? If y'all new to the channel, welcome. But look, y'all, it's a big video talking about my car. I wanted to give y'all information on how much I paid for it, what I put down, and what year it is, the model, all that. Just, you know, a breakdown what I do, what I did on it and everything. And yeah, I gotta go to the shop to get it touched up again. Like they're just gonna hit some spots that they feel like they want to touch or whatever. I'm just gonna get it touched up, my car, because I just got it painted probably like, what, 2 weeks ago. So, and then I got something else going on at the end towards the end of the video, guys. So y'all gotta stay tuned and watch the whole video. Okay, y'all, so look, this is the 2017 Dodge Challenger RT edition, y'all. I got it from, I'm in Ohio, so if y'all don't know that. But I got it from Brook Park Spencer dealership, that's what it's called. It's a dealership that sells Rams and Dodges. They also got Ford vehicles there. So if y'all looking for a vehicle, y'all can go shop with them. This vehicle got 50,000 miles on it. They wanted 25,000 for it. I traded in my V6 Charger and got this Challenger RT, y'all. It's on staggered wheels right now, 20s by 9s in the front, 20 by 10s in the back. Here go cold start for y'all. I also got the remote start put on because it didn't have that. It came with the orange calipers, and I also put that gas cap on it. But yeah, we got a lot coming for y'all. I just wanted y'all to see that. So yeah, y'all, I paid $392 a month. On my V6 Charger, I paid $280 a month, but I always paid a little bit more anyway to get the payment down faster. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, I'm on this payment for 6 years. I don't know if I'm gonna probably, you know, I probably might trade it in or I might buy it faster than that, obviously. But I did that so I can have, you know, the best payment option. But yeah, y'all gotta let me know what y'all thinking. Smash that subscribe button if y'all ain't already part of the 38 gang, y'all. And yeah, man, we got a lot of videos coming. Like I said, I'm about to just show y'all. I'm gonna talk about it right now before I even get to the shop and get my touch-up stuff. I said I was gonna do it at the end of the video, but since I'm already showing y'all, so y'all can know for the next video, to stay tuned. I got a brake upgrade kit, and yeah, y'all know it's them red things, them Brembo joints. So yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned for that video. And yeah, that's coming in a few days. What's today's? Today's Friday. And it should be, I should have this done by like Monday. So y'all gotta stay tuned for that video and everything. It's gonna be on these staggered wheels. That's why I got the bigger setup, because they was on 20 by 9s all around the whole car. But I got 20 by 9 fives in the front, 20 by 10 fives in the back. So you don't need a spacer, a wheel spacer. So with those, I could just get it right hooked up. And the man that's gonna do it, he charged me $400, y'all. So yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned for this. We're gonna definitely make this boy look so good. And then I'm gonna go into like performance stuff where I'm gonna get the unlock ECU, and cause I already got my tuner from Diablo Tuner. But yeah, I know I've been talking a lot, so yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to go around and then I gotta go to the touch-up shop. So that's all I was doing today, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all like some quick catch up with, because I haven't did a car video in a while. I just went out of town and was in Orlando. That was my like first flight and everything. So y'all get to see, you know, my family. Y'all got to see my family, you know, how I wake up, and it's just stuff I do on the daily. But yeah, y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all, we at the paint shop. Let's see if he here. Shut the door. I want to see. Hey. I'll show him my car. He ain't seen it. You wanna come outside to see the rooms?
No.
No? You already seen them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I stalked your page.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Just a little bit.
Bad. I don't know. I'm just dropping it off for real. Yeah, so.
Just put it the matte black stripe.
Oh, look it up.
Do the stripe that way.
I see what you're saying.
And then right across there.
I see what you're saying.
I put like the Hemi right in the middle of that bitch. So the Hemi will stay the green, but around it will be the matte black. Do the Hemi with the pinstripe though. So that way when it says you see the H, it's got a pinstripe around it.
Okay.
So it's got a little bit of green that pops it out, makes it stand out more.
I was trying to do like something on the side, like maybe maybe bring it from like right here to like right here.
You know they got the stripes that goes down the sides too.
Yeah.
And they check her off in the back.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know where I want to go with it for real. I don't know.
Hey, how y'all doing today?
What's up, bro?
Those are wrong color shoes, wrong color pants, and the wrong color jacket to be wearing driving this car.
Thank you.
You're supposed to be wearing green. Slime green though. It's gonna be slimy.
It's gonna be hard to find a man.
No, not really.
Oh my god. That's our color. Pretty much.
It's my favorite color.
I'll
be on the freeway a lot towing cars, so I gotta stand out like a sore thumb so I don't get smacked. But I'm an idiot, so I just jump out in front of them. Ah! They're like, oh, that ain't right around me. Come on.
Oh, we're going.
Make sure you clean those rims great. They're brand new. You just put them babies on there. So, it ain't gonna happen this month.
Yeah, I'm not rushing it at all. That's all I'm rushing because I want to be able to get this.
It's gonna be in June.
Yeah.
And you're gonna have to leave it for a couple days.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
June 21st. Drop
Okay.
off.
Okay.
So drop off on June 21st, and by like Thursday the 24th, I was back to you.
Okay, cool.
Hey, put him in the books. June 21st. Take a little bit of time to get it done.
Yeah.
We're gonna have like 2 days of wet sanding.
Okay, that's
So
fine.
we're like 2 days wet sanding, one day to buff it out, and 1 day to polish it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna hand you the whole car.
Okay.
So when you get it back,
I'm ready for that, yeah.
it's gonna be like a piece of glass.
Yeah, I'm ready for that. Excited.
She's like, yeah, wait till I get a hold of that car. I'm taking off in that baby. Alright?
Yeah.
You're all ready? Y'all done? Alright. Go ahead and back that outside for me, Ray.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Go. It's all yours. Have a great time.
I'll definitely be in touch with you soon. I'll let you know how to, well, you probably see the videos. You'll probably see the videos.
I will stop you out here.
I'm gonna tag you anyway. I'll tag you anyway.
I know.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, bro.
Bye, bro.
Alright, 38 gang, welcome back. I just picked my car up from getting retouched up, painted. They just hit some spots where they thought they needed to be touched pretty much. But yeah, this is stuff that people go through, I'm sure, when they get a car painted. You know, stuff don't always come out perfect, guys. I want to let you guys know I'm not going to hide anything from y'all when it comes to this car building process. I want y'all to see everything that happens, even if it's good or bad. So, like I said, I'm going back on June 21st to get this car wet buffed and sanded. It's going to be more shiny then. So stay tuned for that. And like I said before, I got some videos on Monday dropping with the Brembo package the brake package getting upgraded. So y'all got to stay tuned for all of that, man. Let's go, y'all. And yeah, smash that like button if y'all new to the channel. And we're gonna close this video out saying thanks for watching and peace, y'all.